This is how you make a strawberry daiquiri. You will need 4 strawberries, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Make sure you use an alcohol measure, 35 milliliters of white rum, 25 milliliters of lime juice, 35 milliliters of strawberry liqueur. Now mash the mixture together. Now you want to shake, shake, shake.
What are you
Decorate the glass with half a strawberry. Let's give it a taster.
All my friends know the low rider. The low rider is a little higher.
You only had one drink. Lightweight. It smells so bad. What are you doing?
What are you looking at? Get out.
Your mum's on the phone.